about to record for you a short summary of our Improvers Solo Slow Waltz, not Viennese Waltz, Slow Waltz, routine number 2. Now this was taught on Monday the 28th of March 2022, so if you're in the full paid video library in my website, you're looking for the full 90-minute class on the 28th of March 22, and it is the first 45 minutes of that class. We're going to make a little start with our left foot facing the front. Let me turn around. 2 reverse turns, close changes for 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3. We're going to finish with a slight rotation here to the diagonal corner and do an open change to the corner. Left, right, left. We're going to go back for a right foot lead into a heel turn. Back, heel turn, and exit. And then we're going to do a little telemark. So this is the leader's footwork, telemark, turning to face the back of the room slightly on the diagonal. Okay, let's do that again. Left foot. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, heel turn, 2, 3, and telemark, and open. Now I'm facing the back of the room, and I appreciate that. In the Improvers classes, we were starting to move on with more rotation around the room and not always facing the front and looking at me. So let's move on. Now a little hover and I can pivot, a change of direction. So I step across and change. Across and change. Let me do that facing the front momentarily. So across, change my mind, across, change my mind, across, change my mind. Now, in the routine we did 3 of them. We will be facing the back of the room, right foot leading through. 1, 2, 3, and there. Whisk and wing, this is on the leader's footwork. Whisk and wing, little pause. Okay, dragging that foot through for the 2-3 count. Now, going to do a little contra check into the corner and open to the front. Check, 2, 3. 12 steps around for a weave section. Remember, this is all living room adapted, so it's not 100% exact as to what we would do in the ballroom, but right foot leading for a weave. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3. Little side lunge with a hesitation. Okay, let me put the paperwork down. So, here we go, from the top. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, run, 2, 3, heel turn, 2, 3, telemark, 2, 3, pivot. Second one. Now whisk and wing coming up, whisk and wing, and now we're going to contra check in, check, and weave, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, slide, hesitation. I know that's very brief. If it was too fast for you, you need to look into the full video library and look on the Improvers Solo Ballroom page and look for the 28th of March, that was last week, 28th of March 2022, where you will see the full class. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.